Hello, I'm Dr. Faysal Ahmed, one of the exam candidate, and I'm going to share my experience about IMG. I have been along with Atik Bhai for the last 1.5 years, 1 year actually, and I must have to say that he has been the big brother and also like a very close to us. Every student will tell you that he is very close to everyone and he knows every inch about your preparations. And other than this hands-on is this is very informative and also very much I would say helpful to us. And other than this, I must have to say that Atik Bhai is very much cordial, and there are so many junior, senior. Together we are doing these examinations and communications every day. Every junior will push you every day to do better, and every senior will eventually help you to understand the things very easily. And this is the important thing that you can have in a hands-on, but you can't have it in your home when you are having the preparation alone. So I think having a hands-on and doing a hands-on with Atik Bhai or IMG is very much helpful to me and also and every other person who is here. So I wish him a successful day or a successful life in future, and hope we all pass and get close to the Atik Bhai once again, hopefully. And I thank you everyone.